Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the sundial stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the extended single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains plus 3. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to immediately start our sequence, and that's going to be making a extended single crochet and 2 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. So I'm going to make that extended single and then 2 double crochet into that same chain all together. Now we're going to skip 2 chains, and into this next one we're going to make the same thing, extended single crochet and then 2 double crochet into the same chain, skip 2 chains, extended single crochet and then 2 double crochet into the same chain with that stitch. You would now repeat this sequence of skipping 2 chains, working a extended single crochet and 2 double crochet into the next chain until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of this row and you only have 2 chains left, skip 1 and then work 1 single crochet into that last chain to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Row 2 is going to be very similar to row 1. We're going to be working the same sequence. It's just going to be worked into stitches instead of chains. So into the first stitch of this row, you're going to make that extended single crochet and 2 double crochet. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to skip 2 stitches instead of 2 chains like we had been doing. So you're going to skip these double crochet into this next stitch or this next extended single crochet. You're going to make the same thing, extended single and 2 double. Skip 2 stitches into this next one, extended single and 2 double. So now you're going to start repeating this sequence of skipping 2 stitches and then working a extended single and then 2 double into the next stitch until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of your row and you have 3 stitches left, skip these 2 stitches like we had been doing into the last stitch of this row. Make 1 single crochet by itself to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the sundial stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.